In this video, we will look at the second condition required for a squeeze play, condition L in the acronym BLUE. The L stands for loser. We need one loser remaining in the hand, or more precisely, we need one fewer winner than there are tricks remaining. In this example, we have two winners, the ace of diamonds and a spade to the other ace. With two winners in three remaining tricks, we have one loser and condition L is satisfied. Furthermore, the rest of blue is also satisfied, and so a squeeze play is available. If instead I gave every hand one more diamond and gave our right-hand opponent the king of diamonds, now condition L is not satisfied and no squeeze play is available. We still have the same two winners, the ace of diamonds and the ace of spades, but now there are four tricks, and with four remaining tricks and two winners, we have two losers and condition L is not satisfied. When we play the ace of diamonds, everyone can follow suit and play low. And now, we're stuck. If we play a spade, we are in the situation from the introductory video in which our left-hand opponent will take two of the last three tricks. If instead we play a diamond, our right-hand opponent will win and play a heart to the ace, and our opponents will take two of the last three tricks. Either way, we're only going to get two of the last four tricks, which is all we could have gotten without knowledge of squeeze plays. So, how do you influence condition L? Early in the hand, you should count your winners, and if there are too many losers, if condition L is not satisfied, you should lose tricks early in the hand so that condition L is satisfied by the time you get to the end of the hand. This is known as rectifying the count, where the count is the difference between the number of tricks remaining and the number of winners you have. And so, in this example, if we had been able to rectify the count by losing a diamond trick several tricks earlier in the hand and then regaining the lead afterwards, then condition L, as well as the rest of blue, is satisfied and a squeeze play is available.